Hello, my name is Ashley Flanagan. I'm a professional stylist at North of Houston Salon and Day Spa in Houston, Texas. Today we have Min, who had straight, shorter hair. The first step that we're going to take with his hair is we're going to shampoo it. With his hair, generally you can use any kind of shampoo, hydrating, strengthening, moisturizing, generally anything. After shampooing Min's hair, we do not use any conditioner. His hair is very, very straight and very short, so conditioner is not necessarily needed. So I went ahead and I towel dried Min's hair, and with his hair is a challenge is on the sides of really straight hair that's short, they tend to stick out. So keeping the hair at a shorter length is the best way to go. We're going to use a texturizer in his hair, and we're going to use about a quarter size of an amount. We're going to rub it throughout our hands, and we're gently going to start on the top, just gently spreading it from one side to the other. Forward and straight. Lastly, with this type of hair, there's many things you can do. You can bring all the hair back with the texture paste and blow dry the hair on a warm heat to get the hair to have more volume up top. With shorter hair, a lot of blow drying time is not necessary. So just gently taking your fingertips, separating the pieces of where you want the volume in the front. Another helpful hint is using a nice top serum coat in the hair to give it more of a shine look instead of a textured matted look. This adds a lot more shine and glow to the hair, makes the hair look a lot softer and flatter. And that is how you can complete short, straight hair.